Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Look at this monster, look at this tank. This is 2008 Toyota Tundra. She's two-wheel drive only, but she's huge. She has a I-Force engine, 5.7 liter V8. And as you Toyota enthusiasts know, these are the engines and Tundras which can, when driven in the long distances, they do that 1 million miles. Now this one was in my shop. That's the first time when I met the customer. It was in September this year, so what is it? That's almost 4 months ago, and he came for a transmission problem. At this moment he had 326 miles, and the problem was transmission was not shifting past the third gear. Now this vehicle has a transmission, Toyota transmission, which has a code AB60E, and it's a 6-speed automatic transmission. He was driving over the hills here. He lives in the nature. So he's driving fast on the highways over the high hills, and he couldn't get out of the third gear. The check engine light was on, slip indicator was on, VSC off was flashing. I scanned computer for him, and there were codes P2714, P0766, P0766. Did I read it correctly? P0766, and the last one was P0776. So he said he tried to do the automatic transmission fluid flush, but he's not sure if he did it right. And he was believing or had a feeling that it's worth invest in correct transmission fluid flush, and that was my job for him. I just for myself scanned those codes, but he basically asked for a correct done transmission fluid flush in the hopes that that will cure the problem. You will obviously say, hey, that's probably will do nothing, and one of the solenoids or something is wrong with electronics. It has a high miles, but that was his hope. I performed everything for him. At that moment on the test drive, I believe it was shifting correctly, but then it again got immediately code, and I will again read it from that September. After the test drive I had one code P0983, shift solenoid D, control circuit high. So you will say, oh my god, he's going to rebuild it. Well, guess what, we have some kind of happy ending here. Let's see how many miles he put on it. Oops, I have to be careful. This is a big baby. So let's see how many miles he has. And why am I filming it? I might probably call it happy ending or something. He said, after he drove it one more time, the transmission started. Listen the sound, isn't it amazing? He said the transmission started shifting correctly. So here he is at 255.73, and he's fully using this truck. The tranny shifts perfectly through all 6 gears, and he's super happy with his investment in that tranny flush. I have to admit, I was personally skeptical too. I was like, well, we can try, but I'm not sure if so many codes and these problems can be fixed. But I just asked him. He brought it for front brakes, but he said, yeah, that's what happened. After like 2 cycles, 2 drives, the tranny suddenly started shifting through all 6 gears, and is shifting through all 6 gears since then. So he's very happy, I'm very happy, and I wanted to share this with you. We again learn that the level in those trannies in the seal transmission really need to be adjusted correctly, and there better be original Toyota fluid. Thank you for watching and have a nice weekend, my friend.